Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about best free AI plugins for Final Cut Pro. So if you are using a Final Cut Pro, you know how necessary it is to use some plugins, especially when they are based on artificial intelligence, because they are going to be skyrocketing the speed at which you are editing your videos. So without further ado, let's just hop onto our list, and the first one is Ulean Loudness Meter. And even if you have trouble finding right audio balance for your entire timeline, maybe when you upload it to a social platform the audio somehow goes flat. So if you are not that much familiar with how important audio levels are, I'm going to be telling you, man, that they are really crucial. Because let's say you watch some videos on a TV, all of them are going to be at a same audio meter level. So if you just simply switch between channels, they're going to be having same audio levels, and that is why, because they are using loudness meters. And yeah, so if you want to simply up your game of volume, you need to try Ulean Loudness Meter for Final Cut Pro. And after that we have denoise effect. So you can simply having a noisy videos, then you can use the denoise, and it is going to be using some advanced algorithms to make your videos look much better. And yeah, so the third one is Shutterstock Final Cut extension. So of course we need a lot of stock footages, videos, icons, graphics. So we can use Shutterstock uh, extension, and that is going to be helping you out. So yeah, that is the list for our video, and thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of videos.